Welcome to PowerCam. Today I will show you how to use the OSMORIDER.
We recommend you to use the 5.8 GHz network for the OSMO.
We have three ways to supply the power. One is the USB adapter, and two is the LiPo battery with T plug, and LiPo battery with XT60 plug. Now let's go on to use the OSMORIDER. Power supply for the OSMORIDER, we are using the battery, supply the power and USB cable. Connect the power to OSMORIDER box. And connect the HDMI cable to the monitor. Turn on the monitor first, turn on the OSMORIDER box, turn on your OSMO plus the USB adapter. And now we are going to make settings for the OSMORIDER box and connect the Wi-Fi access point, Cosmos streamer. This one, Cosmos streamer, connect the Wi-Fi first and open your web browser, input the IP. Okay, now we have the page for make settings. Click here to make settings. On the left side, we have the menus for the functions. You can change your OSMO account here and your password and save. And make sure the blue light is blinking from the slow blinking to faster blinking. For RC, it's the mapping list. And you can see when I move the joystick, the number is changing and it's red color. So we map this channel for pan. And this one is for tilt. This one is for recording. And this one is for the screen menu. And this one can be zoom. And this one for EV. Okay, for the blank channel, make it blank and save the mappings. Click the recalibrate.
Then you can see RC calibrating and also a value list on the screen.
Move the joystick and switch to the ends. Pan. Okay, the last step will be very important. Move your pan and tilt joystick to the low value position. What is the low value position? You can check the number on your mobile phone to find out which direction is the low position for the channels. You can check. It's the low position for the tilt. It's the low position for pan. Move the joystick to the 45-degree position for pan and tilt. And release. Okay, now it's okay. Recording. Menu switch. Zoom in, zoom out, EV control.